Osso buco is a hearty Italian dish made by braising veal shanks in a rich stock with white wine and tomatoes. Garnished with a zesty gremolata made with fresh parsley, lemon zest, and garlic for a memorable meal. Here is a recipe for traditional osso buco. Ingredients needed for osso buco: 2 pounds veal shanks, cut into short lengths. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup butter. 2 cloves garlic, crushed. 1 large onion chopped. 1 large carrot, chopped. 2/3 cup dry white wine. 2/3 cup beef stock. 1 14.5 ounce can diced tomatoes. Salt and pepper to taste. How to prepare osso buco. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 F. 2. Coat the veal shanks with flour. 3. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the garlic and onion, and cook until the onion is translucent. 4. Add the veal shanks to the skillet, and brown on all sides. 5. Add the carrot, wine, beef stock, and diced tomatoes to the skillet. Season with salt and pepper. 6. Cover the skillet, and bake in the oven for 1.5 hours, or until the meat is tender. Enjoy your delicious homemade osso buco.